Hey there Famiri, welcome back to my channel, and today we are celebrating the launch, the birth of a banger, the new Waveformer Ripple Flair. Saying that I'm excited is an understatement. Now this video is sponsored by Hair Flair. Thank you very much, Hair Flair. Like I said, we're celebrating the launch of these new Waveformers, and with this launch, the Waveformer set is complete. So you have 3 different Waveformers that will give you 3 different results. Today, I'm gonna show you the Ripple Flair and how I achieved this result. Okay, I'm not gonna talk too much. If you wanna see how I achieved this, keep watching. Okay, listen, I'm so excited about this launch. I can't even tell you. Like, I'm not gonna talk too much. Let's just get it, okay? Okay, so most of you already know how to apply the curl formers or the waveformers, but for the ones who don't, I'm gonna quickly show you how I apply the waveformers. If you want an in-depth video, I got you. You can watch my previous waveformer video. I'm gonna place it in the iCard, which is here. The iCard is here, and that's an in-depth video where I tried the Alexandra look, which has curl formers and waveformers. In this video, I'm just gonna speed through the process and I'm gonna show you the results. Let's go. Okay, so my hair has been washed. It's freshly washed. I applied my leave-in conditioner and I let it air dry for maybe like 60%. My hair is 60% dry. So we're gonna work on damp, almost dry hair. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in parts, and it's gonna be really quick. I'm a nerd, okay? So as you see, I've made 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I made a section in my crown so that later on I don't have any weird parts here at the top. I'm gonna take some time to moisturize my hair a little bit more, and I'm gonna take a cream to moisturize it. So I'm gonna go section and section and moisturize that section a little bit more. At this point, I'm also gonna take the time to smooth my hair out so I have a sleeker and more shiny result. If you watched my last video, you already know. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna work one section at a time, and I'm gonna section up my hair into smaller pieces that fit into the waveformer. Don't make your section too wide or else you're gonna have a hard time getting it in. Okay, so now with each set of the waveformers, you not only get the waveformers, but you get 2 styling hooks. You take the 2 pieces, the top and the bottom, and then you stick them in there. Boom, and it's in there. Now you're gonna take a waveformer and you're gonna squeeze the opening, and you're gonna push the styling hook through the waveformer. Boom. Now it's time for your styling product of choice. Now for this set, I'm going kind of for a medium hold, a relaxed, effortless, you know, crimp. So I'm gonna go for a medium hold gel, but you could obviously go for a strong hold gel if you want more of a wet look, or even a lighter hold gel if your hair isn't as kinky curly as mine. Now I already detangled my hair in the shower, but you really want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled. So with each section, I'm gonna go and lightly detangle again. I gotta do what I gotta do. And once again, I take time and I smooth the section. And ladies and gentlemen, this is where, you know, the magic happens. You're gonna put in the waveformer. To do that, you want to lightly twist the root of your hair. Then you're gonna take your styling hook and the waveformer, and you're gonna hook your hair with the hook facing upwards. Grip the hook at the handle and pull down, and bam, your hair is in the waveformer. It's that easy. So I'm gonna keep doing this over my entire hair. You can watch, and I'll be back with all of the waveformers in my hair. Okay, so I'm done, and looking at the waveformers, I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I'm quickly gonna dry my hair, and I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer for like an hour, and my hair should be dry by that time, and then I'll be back. So I'm back, but I have a feeling this is gonna look good. Okay, let me show you again how that works. You pinch the top and then you pull it off. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is gonna be so good. I just know it. I don't, yeah, I don't have to sell anything. These are my results. Like, listen. Okay, I'm acting a little bit conceited. That's just because I love the results. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. Look at my results. Okay, using it was a very nice experience. Of course, once you get used to applying curl formers or wave formers, it's always the same. It's always easy. What I really like about the Ripple Flair is that even with a medium hold gel, like, this is how it looks. It looks really good. I'm so excited to keep playing around with this. I feel like I look really good, but that's just my opinion. I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what you think of the results, and also let me know, are you gonna check the new Ripple Flair waveformers out? Do you have questions about them? Let's talk in the comments. Congratulations once again to Hair Flair, and thank you so much for trusting me with this opportunity. I'm very grateful, and thank you to you for watching this video. That's it for me. I'm gonna place my previous Hair Flair video here. That's gonna be the Alexandra set where I try both waveformers and curl formers. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and have a wonderful day, you wonderful human being. Bye.